What's going up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the 9th edition of Crypto World News Daily Show. I am your host, Elliot. Very glad to be here. Bitcoin trading at 35,000, new all-time highs. We were able to break up on that yesterday. In today's show, we're going to be going over some Bitcoin news. We've got some altcoin news. We've got a DeFi project of the day for you, looking at our trade. And lastly, we'll take suggestions from you, the audience, on what coins or what you would like for me to chart. If you'd like to catch my next show live, I do this Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the goal, live on Twitch. And if you'd like to catch my next show, twitch.tv/Crypto World News. Appreciate all the support, all the thumbs up. Join the Discord if you have not. It's not going to be free for very long. And I hope you enjoy the show.
Omelets are delicious, aren't they? But they're just so difficult to make, and they make a mess. You flip it over and blech, burnt. Egg crust. Fucking no thank you. Omelette Express, please excuse my pubic hair covered arms, and behold these exquisite omelets I created in just seconds. Oh fuck, I can't believe this omelet's already done. Slammed my dick in there so many times, but never in the bowl. And you know why? Because it's for fucking omelets. You just gotta crack an egg right there in that groove, and then you bend it over and beat it off. Fuck, man, I just love making omelets. Don't put your head inside a microwave while it's still on, folks. I'm a professional. Go ahead and put your face right up to the glass and watch as the mild radiation surrounds the bowl. My doctor says I do it too much, so now my brain don't work so good. But hey, just look at all these omelets I'm making. Bell pepper barf omelets, Rocco turd omelets, spicy fiesta de culo omelets. What's that? You don't like omelets? Well, how about some rubbery scrambled eggs? Dog food and lawn trimmings, my arm hair, and my favorite, beets, gummy bears, and ham. You can whisk it, cook with it, clean it. Too many eggs will clog your hole, but we're gonna include this thing so you can pry your ass open. Absolutely free, and you can take it from me. I like to shove things up my ass all the time. I'm not gay, I just love omelets. How much for this microwavable bowl? $14.99. But wait, there's more. We're gonna give you 2 bowls and 2 copies of the same recipe book and a whisk. Looks like you're gonna have to get 2 microwaves. If you love the taste of a nice hard rubbery omelet, then order an Omelette Express right now.
Wow. I will not pass up that offer. It's too good to be true. Djibouti. All right. Thanks for sticking with us through that commercial break. We are back on the Crypto World News Daily Show. First, we are going to be looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin news, Bitcoin analysis. What we have up first is from the dailyhodl.com, and all the news articles I'm going to be talking about today. If you'd like to check them out, click the link down below, and you can do that whenever I post it to YouTube. I'm not going to do it for you live, guys. Thanks for watching on Twitch, though. If you have any questions, just let me know as I'm going through. Love to interact with you guys. After nailing Bitcoin's price in 2020, Max Keiser unveils massive prediction for year ahead. Wall Street veteran and Bitcoin firebrand Max Keiser says he believes that Bitcoin will ignite a massive rally this year on the backs of central banks losing monetary policies. 2 years ago, Keiser made a forecast that Bitcoin would, in 2020, trading around $28,000. That's a pretty good prediction. Now, the Bitcoin bull is back with another year-end prediction. In a new interview, Keiser has expected Bitcoin to surge nearly 550% from its current price of $34,000 before this year ends. Wow, that is really bullish. I'm going with 220K per Bitcoin as a 2021 target, and that would bring us up to $4 trillion market cap evaluation, which I think is a good 2021 objective. Let's see how accurate that would be. If we just had a little calculator, 4 trillion, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, divided by... Oh, I guess I don't even know how we would do the math. Multiplied by, let's say, 0.6 So 2.4 trillion is in BTC divided by total supply. Let's just say 18 million. 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 133K per Bitcoin. It was a $4 trillion market cap. $4 trillion market cap, looking at 220K Bitcoin. That's a little unrealistic to me. That seems like the BTC dominance is a little bit higher than what we'll actually see in 2021. I think altcoins are going to be great in 2021. This is an awesome article. I will leave it below. Let's take a look at some BTC on the monthly chart. We like to do that first. Price discovery. We're kind of in this unknown territory. Our next major monthly level that we pulled off this fib, we like these 618 levels, would be about 46K. Going down to the weekly. Weekly looks absolutely fantastic. Just opened. Yep, we're a couple days into this weekly. We were able to come back from that 27K test. Let's look at the daily. Daily looks fantastic. We were able to hold that 29K and get back above 34K. For hourly, looks awesome as well. Bitcoin's looking very, very bullish right now. Our next, I guess, major target would probably be like 47K up. Yeah. On the weekly. That would be our weekly. If we were to look at a weekly here, this, yeah, about 47K BTC. What would that look like? 33% increase. Okay. Wow. We could do that. Let's go to the chat. Any questions? No audio for the video. No audio for the video. What does that mean? Are you talking about the commercial? I thought I checked it. All right, well, I'm going to be playing this next commercial. If there's no audio for this, you're just going to have to watch the replay on YouTube. Thanks for sticking with us. And when we get back, we're going to be talking about news, altcoin news, a little bit of BTC adoption news, and then we will look at our trade. Thanks for watching live on Twitch, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do this Monday through Friday. Hit that thumb button, like it. Working through the kinks. There's going to be some glitches. Bitcoin trading at 35.2. Nice.
Oh, nothing's better than getting grilled meat from a hot dude, and let's face it, ladies, you don't know how to handle meat. Until now. Hey, I'm Joe Fowler, and this is the Grill Disc. It's gonna turn any pan into an indoor grill. It's so easy, just place it, heat it, and eat. But wait, here's a secret. All you gotta do is flip it over once, and it's already done. What, you don't believe me? Well, let's go and let's find out. Oh, it's raw. Oh, you should really preheat this thing before you get to the pan. That way everything properly cooks. Wait, are you still using a regular grill? Stop it! The secret is that the grill disc gets really hot, just like me in the men's locker room. And it leaves grill marks on all your food. You ain't grilling unless there's grill marks. I'm not gay, but I'm not allowed to go to the gym anymore. Ladies, you know the way to a man's heart is by buying a grill disc. Stay with me here on this one, okay? We're gonna add liquid marijuana around the disc as a marinade. I call it Joe Juice, and not only does it taste great, but you get really high while you cook it. My ball sack sticks to my inner thighs, but nothing sticks to the grill disc. With a real grill, you're just flopping everything around, but with a grill disc, everything's there. And we got shrimp, oh, big thick weenies, and zucchinis. I don't even know this family. Here you go, little boy, eat up. It's amazing what you can get away with a few cameras around. Kids love the grill disc. It can barbecue a brick of bread, and it's a lot easier to clean in my criminal record. Kebabs, come on. The grill disc is 10 inches of disc, and you get a free little grill guide. But I know what you're thinking. 10 inches is a little bit too much for you. I'll throw in my 8 inches for free. They also make for great frisbees. Over here, I'm open.
Djibouti. And we are back live on Twitch. Thanks for sticking with us. Our first news article we have today, UK's ban on crypto derivatives goes into effect today. The crypto derivative, the financial conduct authorities, this doesn't seem bearish to me. The crackdown on cryptocurrency is not going to stop. UK's ban on crypto derivatives really doesn't affect the supply, I believe, of the derivative volume. I'm sorry, when I said supply, I meant to say the amount of money flowing into the derivative market. There are decentralized derivative exchanges that don't require KYCs. So this is sort of this news, which might have intended to be FUD, doesn't actually hold as much value, which is going to segue into our next article. Interestingly enough, Shapeshift going full DeFi, losing KYC rule. Let's take a quick look at this. I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time on this. Yeah, the commercials have no audio. All good, though. We'll work through that. Ethereum trading 1,200. Yikes, that's high. I mean, that's a good thing. Shapeshift is going full DeFi to lose KYC. Colorado-based non-custodial exchange is now changing to a decentralized finance application and getting rid of the KYC regulation, which is basically what we were talking about, the rise of these DEX. I'm pretty sure Shapeshift is an online wallet as well, a web wallet. So this is very bullish. I like the less KYC, more DeFi. That just sounds like more money flowing into the cryptocurrency market. Interesting article. I will leave it down below if you'd like to check it out. Our last article today, we were talking about XLM Stellar, I believe yesterday and the day before. Yesterday we had some interesting, or the day before, I'm sorry, we had some interesting fundamental news with the Ukraine announcing that it was going to launch its digital currency on the XLM or Stellar platform. If you guys have any questions about like words and terminology that I'm saying, just ask it in the chat. Sometimes I use words like FUD and FOMO, and I don't realize that people don't understand the fear of missing out, FOMO, fear of disappointment, FUD. Just anything. I'd love to, whatever I can do to help. I'm not trying to talk over anyone's head. Stellar XLM token rallies to 2-year all-time high on XRP woes, OCC ruling. Not so much. More of the Ukraine thing. Ukraine announcing that XLM is going to be the digital currency of their country is probably the looks like the fundamental reason for this 84% bump today. Let's take a look at XLM really quick. And then we're going to go to a brief commercial break. And then we will take suggestions from you. Actually, no, we're going to go over our DeFi project. We didn't do that yesterday, and I think we have time. What are we doing on time? Yeah, we're doing okay on time. We're going to quickly go over a DeFi project. I'm not going to take a whole lot of time on it today. If you are interested in the project I'm talking about, check the link down below. WiseToken.net. WiseToken.net is a promising DeFi project. The core promise of WiseToken is staking similar to both bonds and certificates of deposits, or CDs, rewarding the holder with interest in their exchange for locking up their funds for a period of time. We've heard of this before. Wise incorporates some of the features from both of these traditional instruments, but improves greatly upon them. CDs tend to be lower risk, lower return, and only pay out interest and their maturity date. Bonds tend to do somewhat higher risk, higher return, pay out their interest regularly on a set schedule, typically every 6 months. Wise is most similar to bond in that it earns relatively high interest amount, but allows, we're not looking at it on stream. Derp. Where was I? But it allows the users to withdraw whenever they want. So it's a pretty cool platform. This is just going to be our DeFi product of the day. Try to have one for you every day. Not that these are suggestions for investments, but these are just kind of what's going on in the DeFi space, and that's what's hot right now in crypto. So thanks for watching. We'll be right back after these brief messages, and I hope you have some coins for me to chart today. We've got some coins to look at, that's for sure. We'll be right back.
French toast? More like fucking weak. Hey, motherfucker, it's your girl Kathy, and I'm stepping my game up big time. Everybody knows bigger is better, and y'all love my red copper pan so much I made it 50% bigger. Just look at all that bread. That's a big breakfast, bitch. Look at these 9 big boy burgers sweating in the pan with a buttload of shrimp, 20 dank chicky tenders, big size, high sides, cooking these patties like Five Guys. And I roll the best cheese cause I got it going on. And it stays clean. You nasty motherfucker, I know you want to sprinkle your berries all over my peaches and cream. No one's gobbling my cobbler unless it is approximately 500 degrees. Oh my god, it's so hot it's still bubbling. Quick, put the ice cream on top, cool it down, yeah, just like that. With a round pan, you can only make about 3 of these. But with the big time, you can make a whole lot of enchilada. This pan has gone beyond the limits of a regular pan! I found this under the carpet. All my haters out there coming at me with that beef, guess what? Keep it coming, motherfucker, and watch what I do with it. I'ma serve it right back to your dumb ass. I say fuck that cuck, Papa John. Mama Kathy's in the house, and I'm gonna tuck you in nice and tight and make sure everybody gets what they want. Bigger pan, bigger tits. Mama Kathy, just look at that cheese. I can cook it with gas, glass, electric, induction, sear it, bake it, fry it, roast it, serve it. Red copper! Skirt, skirt. Hey, motherfucker, eyes up here. I know what you want, but you're gonna have to pay for it. But don't worry, it ain't like those other competitive prices. Someone called the police. They robbing people out here. Run that price back. That's more like it. And you get a free recipe book with pictures. Bitch, please. I made how many of these commercials and you still haven't bought one? Fine, I'll double the offer. 2 big-ass fucking pans. You're gonna be making so much food, you're gonna need a red copper toilet. Expect that commercial real soon. Call today.
Djibouti. And we are back from our last commercial break of the day. We're going to be talking about some altcoins, taking suggestions from you, the audience, and looking at our trade. First up, let's look at XLM. We've been talking about XLM. Fundamentally, there are very strong fundamentals favoring this coin at this time. It is currently up 63% on the day, looking at a monthly resistance level, currently testing monthly resistance level 34 cents. Break up on that. This last level, 42 cents, really doesn't hold any value. And then we're going to be profiting price discovery expansion 66 cents into $1.05. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let's look at some ETH, Ethereum. ETH is actually just a super strong, there's nothing, let's not look at the futures contract. Let's look at ETH on Polo. There we go, we got the data here. So looking at a monthly chart here, we've got our monthly levels, breakout 1, breakout 2, daily resistance right here. Oops, let's put that back. And there's nothing up here. From a monthly perspective, we are in price discovery territory, looking at 23K being our price discovery expansion target, 1618. ADA up 20% on the day, trading at 30 cents. Also testing monthly levels, talking about this one. We've been shilling ADA every single day. Talk about it. Community favorite coin, also staking coin, 31 cents. We want to get above 35 cents, and that would give us a breakout buy If you're looking to buy this and you didn't want to buy it at 17 cents and you don't want to buy it at 30 cents, above here, we got this two monthly candle closes right here that creates this level right at 35 cents. And if we get up above that, there's really not a whole lot. Maybe 50 cents and maybe 70 cents, but nothing really. I mean, this ADA is also ready for price discovery, and we can look at what that would look like. First target $1.50 into our 2618250. All of these coins look fantastic in 2021. Dot is another. Oh, actually, we had a suggestion for a coin from Josh. Uni, looking at the monthly on Uni. See if we got any more data. Polo seems to have the most data of anyone. All right, if we were looking at the Uni monthly, this just absolutely is already in price discovery territory. I mean, you can't, this whole candle down is insignificant in my analysis. Let's go down to a weekly. Yep. Nothing here that we can use. We're already up in price discovery territory. Uni is another great looking coin right now. We want to break up above this $7 resistance, $7.20 resistance, and that's it. That's all next. This is looking fantastic. If you're not familiar with the Uniswap platform, let's look at that really quick. What Uniswap does, I'm not going to go over it too much, but basically what Uniswap does is it allows you to create liquidity pairs. You can create a pair. I can create Elliot coin and pair it to Ethereum, and you can go to Uniswap and trade your Ethereum for Elliot coin if you want. So this is an interesting aspect because before, in the cryptocurrency space, or really in any financial space, if you wanted to have something, if you wanted an asset or a token or whatever to have value, you had to have it listed on an exchange, which obviously comes with a lot of barriers. And now we're at this really a very, very interesting time in finance where we're no longer requiring KYC for, like trades. We have decentralized exchanges. How long those will be legal, I'm not sure, because there's a lot of question and the regulators really haven't addressed them at this time. Sushi is another good coin. I like Sushi. It's a more lucrative platform than Uni. Basically, they're the same thing. You create liquidity pairs. So these are two exchange coins. And Sushi has a higher incentive for the liquidity providers, and it's a little bit newer of a platform. All right, that's it for our altcoins of the day. We're going to keep an eye on ETH. ETH is looking fantastic. Next level, we're looking up about 1280. And then above that, we can pull some further levels too if we need. BNB 42 cents, looking okay. And let's look at our trade. Ooh, what happened here? Well, we broke out. We went to all-time highs. We were talking about this. This should have been our possible short entry, and then we should have had a close on our position. I mean, hindsight's always 2020, but close on position at all-time high breakout for this trade. So we learned a lot, and we will remember those things. We're going to write down rules next week whenever we take our next trade as to better understand how we can be more profitable in the future. So there's a couple mistakes that we made, and we'll go over them in later. I don't want to talk about it too long. Let's do a turbo really quick. Let's do some 1 minute turbos. Let's just go up. We'll wait because we always get fooled here. We're doing 10 turbos a day, seeing how good we can do. Basically, here's what's going on. We're betting whether the price goes up or down, earning 70% potential income. This is a demo account. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. Oh, this is the 10 minute. They are not offering 1 minutes right now. Of course they're not, because it would be too easy, right? This platform sucks. This is the best way to lose your money. Come do 1 minute. I guess these are 10 minute. There's a little bit more analysis in here, but Yeah, we're not going to sit here for 10 minutes. So next week, we're going to come and look at some trades. We don't have to trade Bitcoin. There are other altcoins that we're looking at, XRP to BTC being one of them, looking pretty primed, pretty ready, might potentially gain on BTC value, which would be fantastic. So we might look to take a little trade there. It looks pretty good on the 15-minute. But our next trade we will take will be next week, next Monday. Maybe different platform, maybe same platform, really haven't decided. Let's briefly go over to any suggestions from the audience. Commercials have no audio, gotcha. And crypto market cap, we're going over the daily overall market cap. Lastly, concluding thoughts. I'm going to leave you here with a little something today. Our market cap is trading at there is $960 billion in the cryptocurrency market. I believe I saw an article today that we surpassed $1 trillion, maybe briefly. So that's fantastic news. I mean, the money is flowing into the cryptocurrency market like we've never seen before. We're going to break $1 trillion and we're never coming back. 2021. 4 trillion sounds a little high. If we got to 4 trillion, that'd be fantastic. That's a great goal. I think that's reasonable. But I could definitely see like 2.5 trillion, 2.5 trillion into 2021. What would that put the BTC value if we were at 65% BTC dominance? Chat. No one? 9 people watching? Okay. BTC, 24%. Concluding thoughts about Bitcoin. Price discovery territory looks like it's going to continue up probably to like 48K. We're not going to take this trade. We're going to wait till next week to trade. So if you want to catch me live next week, live on Twitch, 12 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. We do this 5 days a week. If you'd like for me to chart any altcoins, I'd love for you to drop suggestions in the chat. And if you like or dislike this video, we appreciate the thumbs up, thumbs down, just any engagement, interaction, and improvement is appreciated. So my leaving thoughts today are, regardless of how much Bitcoin you have or don't have, when you live in the past of what you could have done, what you should have done, the trade you should have taken, how much Bitcoin you should have bought, you shouldn't have sold or whatever, that's just really unhealthy. And it's not to say that you should forget and forgive. You should remember and learn, but not dwell on the past, because that's not going to serve you any well. It only serves you to take that as an experience and move on to better whatever it is next. There's always something next. You're here, you're alive, you're not dead. It's not the last opportunity you have. So live and learn. I don't know. That's really all I got for you today. Appreciate you guys watching, not watching, whatever. Have a good day.